find out about welding, or what piqued your interest?
From ag. I took ag and then we just started doing welding one day. I kind of just enjoyed it.
When do they start teaching ag?
8th grade is when we're allowed.
Oh, so
and it goes for like
this
high school
year.
credit.
Oh, that's kind of cool. So will you take anything related to it before your junior year, or you'll start to learn it your junior year?
I think I'll start to learn it my junior year.
Okay. Did you get to meet Peter Runk too out there?
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
cool.
Okay. All right, cool.
Talked to her quite a bit.
Yeah, so Peter went to 2-year formal education in welding and then took a certified weld inspector test. Pretty involved, pretty elaborate program. Then you also have a lot of experience and practical knowledge, like Brad, who has assembled a lot of things, seen a lot of things, welded a lot of different steels. So Kyle told me that you might be interested in underwater welding.
Yeah.
How did you learn about that?
YouTube. A lot of
YouTube?
YouTube.
Cool. That's so different nowadays, huh, with the kids?
Yeah, when she told me that, I was like, yeah, that's one to chase.
Yeah. So you know it's dangerous. I worked with a guy that did underwater welding. I think they say you should only do it for so many years.
That's what Pete said. He said for the 10 years, it's kind of like,
If that. Yeah. This guy that I worked with actually almost got crushed. He was welding down on the Ohio River near Cincinnati, and they were dropping something down in, and you use signals with lines, and he was tugging, and the line got wrapped up or something, and the guy up top didn't feel him tugging, and they kept dropping it, and this thing, like, he was inches away from them dropping it. Finally something let loose. Yeah, exactly. But I don't know the exact situation, but you can make really good money. What he did, I think he did it for 6 or 7 years, and then he just did it and made a whole bunch of money and then just stopped. And then he got into machining. He got out of welding totally and just made a ton of money. He was single at the time and didn't have any family responsibilities. So 2.5 years before you can start really getting into it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I would say good luck. The trades are, unfortunately, they were not a very exciting job or in the eyes of many, many parents. Everyone has been pushing college education, but things are changing, and there's definitely shortages of skilled help, and you can make pretty good money in the trades. I mean, it's steady work for the most part, and a lot of things that have gone out of our country are all starting to come back. How about, do you have any questions for me?
How'd you get in the business of?
So I went to a trade school. I'm from Rochester, New York originally.
Yeah.
And yeah, my dad said, you're going to a trade school. I went to 9 years of Catholic school and got caught skipping one day, and that was it for me. My dad said, you're out. I appreciate you showing the interest. Good luck.
Thanks.
Maybe we'll see you around.
Yeah.
Now, so you play soccer?
Yeah.
All right, good deal.